Last night I was way too tired and we had a fight again. Too many words stuck in my mind, I just let them fly like the wind. Took a walk to clear my head, riding home on the yellow tram. Leaning back against a window, watching the sunset glow. La la la, you know I love you, but tonight I just can't say it, not today. I won't run to you, I just can't say I'm sorry yet. Doors swing open at the stop, and a lazy cat walks, and me sits right there, takes up space, doesn't care, won't look at me. Doesn't flinch, just stays so calm. Where are you heading, little one? You're so carefree, must be nice, I say, and laugh at my own words. La la la, you know I love you. Somehow you remind me of him, so free and careless, but I can't hate you, and somehow I still miss you. Stepping down the tram, moves on with Mr. Cat right by my side. Passing by the little bakery, warm bread scent is in the air. I recall what you love most, so I buy a wish to share. Holding tight, I walk back home, thinking I won't give it yet. La la la, you know I love you. I wanna talk, but not just yet. Let me stay a little mad at you, just a little longer. Let me pretend. Walk inside, you turn around and you say, I'm sorry first. I was ready